how to add images on Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can add images on Squarespace. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Squarespace account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in into your Squarespace account, you would navigate through to your website, as you can see. And then once you're on your website, by the top part of the screen, you will see the edit icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will be taken to the edit page. That is the page whereby you can edit your site. So once you're in the edit page, select the section where you want the images that you want to add to appear. Okay, and then once you selected the section, just like I have done here, by the left side of the screen, you'll see add block. Click on it. Once you click on it, a list of options will be displayed, and then you'll see image here. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll see that an image box has been added here, and then a plus icon is at the middle. Click on that plus icon. Once you click on the plus icon, you'll be asked to select areas where the images you want to add should come from. Okay, if you want to upload a file, select from library or browse stock images. For me, I'll be uploading a file. Just click on upload a file. Once you click on upload a file, you'll be redirected to your device setting. Then you select the image that you want to add. All right, just locate your pictures and then select the one that you love to. Once you've selected it, the image would be uploaded here automatically. So this is how you can add images on Squarespace. Thanks for watching.